Hello, my name is Melissa Long, and this is my ETEC 562 Technology Integration Unit project. I will be teaching a lesson on the three types of rocks and how they are formed. I will be incorporating BrainPop, which is not free. We have a subscription, a YouTube video, which is free, and Prezi, which is free, and that's what they're going to use to do their project. I will use the BrainPop and YouTube video to help teach the concepts above. When we finish the lesson, the students will then create a Prezi to demonstrate their understanding. The intended audience is 6th grade, and we will spend 3 class periods on this assignment, which will allow time to teach and complete projects. The instructional objective is 10.B. This is a 6th grade TEK, and classify rocks as metamorphic, igneous, or sedimentary. I feel strongly about the experiences students have when it comes to learning. The learning theory that I'm going to implement is Kolb's experiential theory. Learning is the process where knowledge is created through the transfer of experience. Experiential learning is a 4-stage learning cycle in which the learner touches all the bases. The next slide shows the 4 stages. We have concrete experience, observation and reflection, forming abstract concepts, testing in new situations. Now I'm going to explain my lesson. And of course, this is brief steps. We will, have big discussions and go into depth and detail in each step in the classroom. First, I'm going to start off my lesson by asking students what they know about rocks and what they want to know about rocks, and I'm going to list their responses. The second thing I'm going to do is introduce the 3 types of rocks. This will also be new vocabulary words for them. I'm going to give the name, how it is formed, and examples. The third thing I will do is show the BrainPop video to help explain a little further. I can't put it on here because it's not free, but I did put a screenshot so you can see what the characters look like. The fourth thing, I'm going to show a YouTube video which shows visual examples using food. I searched a bit on YouTube and watched several videos, and this is the one I liked the most. I think the kids can connect and understand this one. The fifth thing, I'm going to place different types of rocks on the table. The students are going to work together and identify each one as igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic, and they're going to record their observations. 6, I'm going to have an assessment. This is where the students will use Chromebooks to create a Prezi about the 3 types of rocks. They will include a picture of each, how they are formed, and examples. Here is the example I created, or here's the link, but I'm also going to put it at the end if you're not able to access it for some reason. Now I'm going to have a different type of project for any ELL learners or resource students. They're going to use BrainPop and make a map. If you can look at the 2 examples, it gives them the opportunity to choose from a rock bank and a word bank here to be able to do their assignment. This modification will allow them to be successful. They can save it and print it out. The students' homework, they're going to be asked to look around in the community and at their house for the ways these rocks are used in their everyday lives. They will document their findings and share with the class. How the lesson addresses Kolb's experiential learning theory. Well, the first and second part of the lesson addresses the concrete experience. The third and fourth parts of the lesson addresses the observation and reflective experience. The fifth part of the lesson addresses the experiential experience, and their homework part of the lesson addresses the testing in new situations. And here is my Prezi, and you'll see the 3 different types of rocks, and I've included the other information that was required. and this concludes my project.